This evening we're here as part of the Wales International Documentary Film Festival, and we're here to premiere my new film, which is called The Tick and the Bomb. It's an 18-minute short film that is the culmination of a prolonged period working in a local community, a new town near Vale. And the film really is a collection of information and stories that I've picked up during the time that I've been working with local people. I was very keen that the process of making very much becomes part of this idea about imaginative transformations. On the last day, I think we had 40 members of cast and crew who descended on Newtown. And the idea was to cause a bit of a stir locally, to ask people to think about what I was doing and to think about what maybe some of the local residents were doing. So really, yeah, it was about shifting the perception of the place. And of course, that shift in perception, it will be taken one stage further this evening when that place is seen on the big screen.
The scenes were representations of actual events that have happened within the community, and we kind of rocked up on the day, did our bit and then left. And it wasn't until tonight that I got a full understanding of what it meant to the community. When he first turned up, I got to be honest, I was like, I really don't want to do this, and that was just an interview at the time, and then it progressed from there then, and it was really good. The film in many respects is part of a process, and the key thing was that in his time working in that neighbourhood, and Matt was there for nearly 2 years on and off, going to residents' meetings, running workshops, being involved in a whole range of activities with people in the area. That was really important because it enabled him to build a level of trust. The great challenge is getting people to sit round a table and to start to see the process they're involved in from other people's perspectives.
So the part of the project has been about addressing communication between various factions of a community.
We took a bit more of a chance with regards to the Newtown scheme, which is where we're at the moment, in terms of creating a proper design team, which involves the artist, the community, landscape architect, and then Tai Calon staff as well.
I think the drive to community art, which helps then with confidence, with the belief in people that they can actually deliver something special, is very important to communities.
Before this project, I was just a normal Tai Calon resident. Being part of this made me realise that I've actually got more to give than what I thought.
Through imaginative process, change can happen, real shifts can happen. They might not be seismic, they might be very intangible, small shifts in attitude or relationships that can eventually, fingers crossed, culminate in, I don't know, a growing confidence within people, improved communication, that kind of thing. We've suffered over the years from loss of traditional industries, like your iron and steel industries, and the disposable income and money that was in the area then. So for the last sort of 10 or 15 years, we've been really reinventing ourselves. And for some time we suffered from the poverty of opportunity and the poverty of aspiration of people. But I think that's changing now. I think we've sort of changed our focus to talk to people, to see what they want and what they can do. Because they have the talent, they have the ability. It's just the opportunity to use those talents and abilities. I think that's what's changing now, and it's a pleasure to be part of it, to be honest. A revolution that really is from the bottom up rather than the top down.